How are you doing? Hardship is the way we grow. And today I want to introduce you to 75 Hard. I found out about it today while scrolling YouTube, and I feel like this is the perfect way to rekindle your drive before 2024. So basically, this is like monk mode or Greek god mode or whatever challenge you've heard of, daily challenge you've heard of. But now it's for 75 days, and there are non-negotiables, which is eating clean, working out twice a day, 45 minutes each, and all those stuff. So what I am doing to start this, which is tomorrow, is that I created a Notion template that I can use to track all my progress instead of printing it out. There's a Notion template, and I'm going to share it with you, and I'm also going to show you how you can do this too. Now, if you don't know about 75 Hard, I recommend you check out andrefusella.com. It's one that started this stuff, so maybe you should know more about it and all. Yeah, that's the idea. But for me, I just feel like many of us, this year has been a tough year, and many of us may have not reached our potential, may have not achieved some of our goals we plan to get to. This can be a way to start without feeling bad about yourself and take your life into your own hands before 2024. Who knows, by 2024, January 1st, you may have even hit your goals already. So here it goes. Um, yeah, I'm gonna go to my laptop and show you how this works. So this is the Notion template for the 25-day hard. And I'm just going to walk you through how this goes because I don't want to waste your time. Tomorrow starts soon. So this is it. Where do we go first? Let's make this big. Now this is mine. This is Instagram. Okay, so this is it. This is today's date. Every single day when you're starting out, I've already made it for the whole November, so you don't need to think about it too much. But when you want to start out, let's give an example. Let's say um let's delete it. Shit, I don't delete it before, but okay, let's delete it. Now you did it. You close this page here. Okay, that's closed. Now note, this is some housekeeping. When you come over here, you can make it small width or full width. When it's full width, it's neater. So that's what I did. Small text to make everything look smaller. No difference. Okay. Okay. Cool. Now, if you press, I just removed this to show you an example. If you press plus, this is what comes up here. You see, it shows daily habits. You can change the name to the day of the day. What's today's date? And 6th, like 6th of 06, 06, 06, 11, 23. You know, daily habits. You can put that there, or you can also leave it as daily habits, whichever one you want. I'm still considering, but just for you to know. And when you see it, how I did it is that you can answer from here. Oh, you've done deep work, you've eaten clean, you've done your journal, you've eaten clean, and likes. You can see the more you press, the more this bar increases. Okay, the audio quality is going to be very bad now. I apologize. I started editing already before I realized this. So if you want to edit your workout, your daily habit, you don't want to work out, maybe you don't want to do deep work, you just want to like journal, it's clean. Depending on whatever your goal is, I recommend you do all this. If you want to add more to, also follow this too. Come over here to table. I created this table here for you, and here you can now, if you want to add a new habits, so you add it plus, and you can like look for checkbox, and you just call it so sleep. If you call it sleep, um yeah. Now if you take it away, now if you come over here back, you will see sleep. Okay, not see sleep. If you want it to show, you come over here, properties shown, sleep, go up here and read 10 pages too. Yeah, so you can see now it's more. That's what I want to show you guys. Thanks. Now this over here is for your completion rate. It will be calculating every single thing you're doing for the throughout the 75-day period or more if you keep going. And it will be there, oh, your workout, you're taking workout more seriously than deep work. You're taking eating clean more seriously than, it will calculate how you're doing well with every single thing. And show your success rate so far. Just like an overview, just to see where you're lacking. That's the idea. And if you want to look at where you're lacking based on the weekdays, okay, on Monday, I think I'm more serious with my workouts. Or on Wednesdays, I'm more serious with my workout than on Monday. That kind of idea. This is an example. This is a way to look at it. Now, the thing about this weekdays is that those of you that don't know about, if you don't know about Notion, I recommend don't go into this part. It gets confusing. But if you know about Notion, just let me explain this into you. If you notice now here, you can see Tuesday, Wednesday to Sunday, but you can't see Monday. The reason is that I came over here and I removed Monday earlier. So if you come over here, there's an analytics section. If you hide it, it doesn't show. But you can see analytics here. If you tap plus, there's a and press Monday habit, it shows. You can see it's back here again. So that's the thing. You don't need to understand what the principle behind this stuff. If you want to understand it, I think I'll link the video I learned it from so you can know how to do it. But don't need it. You don't need to waste your time. This is how it is. Your own main goal is that look at the total and see how you're faring and come over every single day. Okay, you do your workouts, you do this. Now, if you're looking at this template, you need to cancel this stuff, this blue stuff, so and start afresh because I've already pressed some of them. Okay, for this just these 3 days, and that's how I did it. That's it. It's that simple. Your goal should be you make sure you your goal with these templates is that you should check it. That's it. It's like a paper on your wall. You check it. That's just it. So I hope this answers. I hope this helps you with your self-improvement journey. And if you are just here for the first time, I'm Absalam. I create content on design and self-improvement and business. I want to build a community of financially free creatives. As I'm doing it, I want to show you guys how I'm doing it too. So check my newsletter below. I document my journey on my YouTube too. I do the same thing, and Instagram, Twitter, wherever. Those everything's in the description below. For now, I want you to get ready, get templates, and get going. Like we need to make our future selves proud. So I wish you the best, guys. Bye.